If your oven isn't preheated to 425 Fahrenheit and your standards aren't higher than your ex's credit score, keep scrolling. This one's not for the flavor challenged. Slice like it's a secret too hot to handle, because even leftovers deserve a moment of silence. Step 1. Cut 4-color bell peppers, julienne style. We don't do bland. If your fridge isn't serving rainbow realness, don't even speak on flavor. These aren't just vegetables, they're edible accessories. Step 2. Cut the onion. Tears? Maybe, but it's giving flavor. Some of y'all cry over situationships. I cry over sautéed onions. Step 3. Olive oil. A little drizzle. Because we're not dry over here, we moisturize our skin and our skillets. Add bell peppers and onions. Color, sizzle, attitude. She didn't come to blend in, she came to slay. Season with paprika, cayenne, garlic, Old Bay. It's not seasoning, it's personality. If your spice rack isn't judging you a little, are you even cooking? Stir and sauté for 3 minutes. 3 minutes of therapy. We stir our problems and our peppers. Step 4. Brushing olive oil on flatbread. Brush me like one of your French breads, because dry carbs? Absolutely not. Step 8. Seasoning the bread. Even the base is bougie. If your crust isn't seasoned, your opinions aren't valid. Step 5. Spreading pizza sauce. Red, rich, a little messy, like your last situationship, but this one's actually worth it. Step 6. Spreading sautéed veggies. Spread the drama. Every layer's got flavor and a backstory. Step 7. Layering salami, first layer. Overlap like it's couture. This isn't a pizza, it's a salami runway. Step 8. Add mozzarella cheese. Melted, loyal, and always there when you need him, unlike your last date. Add Gouda cheese. A little smoke, a lot of luxury. She's not just cheese, she's an experience. Step 9. Add second layer of salami. Because one layer wasn't enough, we don't settle, we double it. Step 10. Preheat the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Slide into the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Hot girl goes in, hotter girl comes out. 425 degrees Fahrenheit, because we're not baking basic today. Melted, golden, glossy, the definition of edible self-worth. A slice for you, a slice for your envy. Warning, this crunch might hurt someone's feelings. Get close. Closer. You can't have it. You're drooling. It's okay. I would too. Hashtag drool responsibly.